As a divorce attorney in Phoenix, Arizona, I help people with probably the most difficult time in their life. And so there's a dual role that you have to play as an attorney. One is advising them on the law, what the law is, and what is likely to happen with their case. But the other one is being a counselor to assist them through the emotional aspects of their case, the ups and downs that inevitably everybody goes through during a divorce or a custody proceeding, because it's an emotional time. It's important that clients trust me. It's important that they understand that everything they tell me is going to remain private, it's going to remain personal, and that we're going to work together to achieve their goals. Every client comes in needing a result. Every client comes in with expectations. A successful attorney is going to set realistic expectations, going to set realistic goals, and is going to lay out a roadmap to achieve them. My firm focuses on a very small number of cases. We keep our cases to a minimum so that we are able to provide customer service that's unparalleled. If a client has a problem, we're able to react that day rather than 2 or 3 days down the road. A large portion of what I do is correcting mistakes that were made by people who tried to divorce without an attorney. They don't know the complex divorce law, they don't know custody law, they don't know community property. We want to maximize the rules of procedure, the rules that are designed and set up in Maricopa County, so that we can maximize what our client's trying to achieve. In a case that does not involve children, obviously we're trying to maximize the amount of assets that a client leaves with. When coming up with a custody plan and an access schedule, it's important that we discuss all aspects of visitation and custody. Otherwise, parties are left with going back to court and continuing to fight over a situation that should have been resolved. The thing I like about practicing family law in Phoenix is that every case is different, every case is unique. Every day you go to work, you're trying to achieve things for your clients. You're trying to help their lives become a little bit better. You're helping them see their children. You're helping them get custody of their children. You're helping them live in the house that they have either built or paid for over the last several years. And at the end of the case, when we have won, to walk out into the halls of the courtroom and have that person give you a hug or call somebody in their family telling them that the case has turned out the way that we had planned, the way that we had hoped, and what we had expected, is probably one of the best feelings that you can have as an attorney.